Welcome dear friends, in this video we will solve objective part of CSS History of Pakistan and India paper 2 of the year 1987. The Pakistan Resolution, also known as Lahore Resolution, adopted by the All India Muslim League was passed on which date and at which place? It was passed on 23rd March 1940 in Lahore. During the constitutional negotiations between British leaders and Indian representatives, the second roundtable conference was held when and where? It was held in September 1931 and was held in London. In Pakistan, zakat was introduced as a compulsory deduction at what rate and in which year was it enforced nationally? Deduction rate was 2.5% and it was enforced in 1980. The Objectives Resolution, which guided Pakistan's constitution making, was adopted by the Constituent Assembly in which year and at which city? It was adopted in 1949 in Karachi. The statement, "The War of Independence 1857 was fought between Aurangzeb and the Marathas," is. This statement is false. Aurangzeb died in 1707. The 1857 uprising was against British rule, not Mughal-Maratha war. The statement Lucknow Pact 1916 denied separate representation of Muslims in provincial legislatures is. This statement is false. The Lucknow Pact accepted separate electorates and safeguarded Muslim representation. The statement Shah Waliullah started the Khilafat movement is. False. The Khilafat movement began in 1919 while Shah Waliullah lived from 1703 to 1762. The statement Pakistan's first constitution was passed in 1948 is. It is false. Pakistan's first constitution was enforced in 1956. The All India Muslim League was founded in which year and which prominent Dhaka Nawab played a key leadership role at its creation? It was founded in 1906 and the key leadership role was played by Nawab Salimullah. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was born and died in which years respectively? He was born in 1877 and died in 1938. Allama Iqbal was elected to the Punjab Legislative Council in which year and later presided over the Muslim League annual session in which year? He was elected to the Punjab Legislative Council in 1926 and presided over the Muslim League annual session in 1930. Iqbal's early poetry was chiefly written in which language and the collection of Bange Dara was published in which year? Iqbal's early poetry was chiefly written in Urdu and the collection Bange Dara was published in 1924. On 3rd June 1947, the partition plan dividing British India into two independent states was announced by which person? Mountbatten. The British cabinet minister Sir Stafford Cripps came to India with proposals during World War II in which month and year? March 1942. The Simla Conference associated with the Wavell Plan was held in which year? June 1945. The cabinet mission scheme presented to Indian political leadership including Quaid-e-Azam was placed before them in April 1946. The statement diarchy was introduced by the Government of India Act 1919, also known as Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms, is. It is true. The statement Jinnah's 14 points were formulated in March 1929 is. True. The statement the Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in April 1930 is. False. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed on 5th March 1931, not in April 1930. The statement the British Communal Award was announced in September 1933 is. False. The Communal Award was announced on 16 August 1932, so September 1933 is incorrect. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.